Hi, Haley here with Bullard Automotive, coming to you today to talk about our charity board and why that's so important to us. We as employees love to do this, mainly tying back to our core values of being generous and being just authentic to who we are. So here to talk about the charity board with me today is Robin Stafford. So thank you for talking with us about this today. So why don't you start by telling us what the charity board is?
It's a group of employees, 12 of us are on the board, and we represent our departments, our employees. There's a representative from each store or department, and we're the representatives for each department.
Okay, so how does the board select a cause? Is it the board, or do all the employees put in ideas? Like, how does that work? How do we choose who we're partnering with for the year?
Well, we get together with all of our employees and we ask for their suggestions of who they would like to see be our charity for the year. And then we take all their suggestions and then we bring them to the board and represent them. And then we start to narrow it down. And it's over about a 3-week process. And then we narrow it down to 3. And then we have those 3 charities come to us and tell us why they want us to choose them and just give us a little bit of feedback about their charity. And then we all discuss that as a board and we take it back to our employees and give them our suggestions and what we heard that day. Then we take a final vote from the 3.
Okay, so what are some of our past partnerships that we've had, and how have we helped them?
Well, in the past, our very first one that we did as employees, we chose St. Mary's Children's Home. And we did that actually for 2 years. And that was very rewarding. We all really got so involved in that and just enjoyed seeing the children just get so excited. We went in and redid their dorms and their bedding and just would go out and play games with them. And naturally we sent money for them for their needs. And we did Thanksgiving dinner, which was really, we had a great turnout from all the employees, and I think it was just a great day for everybody on that Thanksgiving. It was really fun. And then we did that for 2 years. And then last year we did the YMCA. And this year we chose Alabama's Baptist Children's Home.
Okay, so we've only been doing this for 4 years,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So why did we pick Alabama Baptist Children's Home this year?
Well, it was narrowed down to 3, and they came and told us their needs and their wants and how we could be hands-on. We as employees seem to really enjoy charities that we can be involved in. And we enjoy giving our money, but we also enjoy being involved in doing what the children need and just being there hands-on and just being there with the children. And we all went and visited the home, and that's just the final one. It was a really hard decision, but that's the one we chose this year.
So what are some things that we're doing with them? I know that there was a festival last weekend.
That was their family get together, and there was face painting and all kinds of games and just different festivities for the children for get together and just have a good time and just be children.
Right. And you said last night there was actually a basketball game.
There was several of our employees, the gentlemen, like to go out and play basketball with the children. And so that was fun. And we're going to try and do that at least once a month.
Okay.
Play basketball or whatever. Just kind of go and hang with the children.
Activity.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so something coming up next week is actually a clothing drive. So why don't you tell us a little bit about the clothing drive?
We have a clothing drive that we're going to do here at at all of our stores. We're collecting clothes, used to slightly worn clothing that we can help with. There's anything from preemies to adult sizes, and we're just collecting. Everybody we're getting all of the employees to go clean out their closets. A great day to clean out their closets. And just bring us their unwanted items and anything that the children's home can't use. They said that they were able to turn them in for vouchers for later use. So if they have a preemie coming in and they don't have clothes, well, then they can take the vouchers from some of the clothing that we gave them and use it for that.
Okay, and we've actually extended that to offer you all to clean out your closets, and you can bring it by any of our locations. We will be picking all of these up next Tuesday by 2 o'clock. So make sure if you decide you want to clean your closet out and donate your lightly used clothes to us, just bring them by before 2 o'clock. And we'll be happy to send those to the Alabama Baptist Children's Home. We love extending this to all of our supporters to partner with us and help us give back to the community. We love doing that. And not only do we love doing that as employees together, we love seeing our customers and other supporters get involved with us.
Absolutely. Yep, September 24th.
Yes.
It's a big day.
So what else do we have going on? What else is coming up?
Well, in October, we're going to do Trunk or Treat. We're doing that on a Sunday afternoon, and that's going to be a lot of fun. It's where we're going to, as employees, we're going to go and decorate our cars. We're kind of making it a little more fun for the employees too. We're going to make it into a contest. So we're going to have the best car, and from what I understand, we can also turn our cars into like games, almost like a little fair type thing, if that's what we want. Or we can just decorate it. But we're all going to have candy and things to pass out to the kids. So just kind of a fun thing for them. And both of the homes will come together. And so we're just going to try and make it a really fun night for the kids. And just help them with their costumes and get their costumes on and their faces painted and just whatever they want to do that night.
Sounds like a lot of fun. And then in December, getting ready for Christmas, I know you were very excited about Trees for Hope. So why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about it? I'm sure we'll have a ton more information to come about this because that's another thing that you all can get involved in. So why don't we just go ahead and drop a little seed there and plant it for everybody to know about?
That is something I am looking forward to. It's called Trees for Hope, which is a big charity function that they've done in the past, and they've asked us to get involved and help with that. And it's where a lot of companies and just employees and people get together and they decorate all these trees, and then they have a silent auction on December the 3rd, and 2 men in a truck donate their time and they deliver all the decorated trees. Whoever wins the tree, 2 men in a truck will deliver it to your home. Well, I'm very excited about that because I won't have to decorate this year. But anyway, that sounds like a lot of fun, and apparently that's their big fundraiser. So we're going to be a big part of that with them this year.
Well, that all sounds fun. Very exciting things. So thank you, Robin, for sharing about the charity board with us today. And we will be bringing you more information and updating you on what we're doing as employees to give back to our community and giving back with our time and resources. So thank you so much. Have a great day.